The reason why I wanted to make that video, thank you, sorry, my cat is just walking on the camera right now. I'm sorry. Can you please move your sweet little cute butt? Thank you. A few weeks ago, I made a video called Simple and Cheap Sustainable Habits that I had for years. And the reason why I wanted to make that video is because I am very passionate about sustainability, and I've been for years now. And the reality is that due to massive personal changes that I had in my life over the course of the past couple of years, a lot of the things that I could afford before, I can no longer afford. So I had to make very big changes when it comes to sustainability. That really got me thinking how everything that we think and that we do in our day-to-day life is massively influenced by a lot of factors. I guess that I wanted to make sustainability something relatable. Oftentimes, more often than not, what it can come or what has come through social media is that you're only sustainable if you buy expensive organic cotton clothes, or if you buy expensive organic food in bulk. Well, that's not true at all. And I wanted to get across the message that you don't have to do expensive, grandiose things in order to do something good for the environment, and stick to your own beliefs. The comment that I've been getting the most lately is that the reason why most of you like my content is because I am a regular person. I'm a regular person living an extremely simple, ordinary life, and this makes me someone you can all, or most of you, relate to. While trying to, finding ideas and things to share for this video, I'm realizing that there are so many habits. I have tons more to come. So if you would like to see a part 3 of this video, please don't forget to like this video, hit that like button, and leave a comment below. And if you still haven't checked part 1, I'm going to link it below and in the cards.
Ever since moving abroad, I've had an electric stove in every apartment I lived in, not a gas one. This type of stove needs a while to cool down once you turn it off. So what I do is simply turn it off before my food is fully cooked and continue to cook using the still ongoing heat. If needed, I put the lid back on to keep the heat going on for longer. This hack helps me save a lot of energy and cuts down the electricity bill. And my food is still perfectly cooked. When I cook larger batches of food so I can thrive on leftovers for a few days. I then bring them to work with me every day so I can cut down on food waste and disposable packagings, and also avoid the expensive takeout alternatives. My freezer is my best friend in my home. If I know that I won't be eating something within a couple of days or before it goes bad, I'll freeze it. It's that simple. This helps me cut down food waste and grocery bills massively. Whenever I feel like my skin could use a little pick-me-up, I use coffee grounds directly from my mocha pot to exfoliate my face and body. No need to purchase fancy store-bought products here. Honestly, I can't remember when was the last time I've used nail polish. While I like the look of it, it's definitely not for me. I hate the constant maintenance that it requires. And most of all, I hate how wasteful the whole thing is. So I much rather prefer to leave my nails au naturel and let them be as they are. I have a sticker on my mailbox that says no ads and no free newspapers, please. I don't really need any of that stuff, as everything can be found online these days. While a couple of ads still find a way to sneak in every now and then, this simple hack helps me to only get the important mail and to cut down massively the amount of waste that are produced and that I bring into my home. Bringing a reusable water bottle and a reusable bag with me everywhere I go is what got me started with sustainability in the first place, many years ago, so I keep standing by it. This is the easiest and cheapest thing to do something good for the environment on a daily basis. So whenever I pack my bag, I make sure these two things never miss. I love my cat more than anything else in the world. But let's face it, cat hair can be a bit of a pickle. Instead of relying on those disposable sticky lint rollers, they are for sure effective but insanely wasteful and need to be constantly replaced. I love to use this velvety reusable lint brush / pet hair remover. I got it for only €2 at a general store. €2. It works very well in my home, and the only thing I need to throw away are the cat's hair.
And that, my friends, is all for today. Like I said, if you have enjoyed this video, you would like to see a part 3, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below. If you have found this video helpful or inspiring, share it with whomever you think might benefit from it. And also subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. You would make my day. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.